Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best model cars to build is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging hobbies for enthusiasts of all ages, offering a fantastic way to dive into the intricate world of automotive design and engineering right from your own home, where each meticulously crafted piece comes together to form a stunning replica of a classic or modern vehicle, providing a sense of accomplishment and a tangible piece of art to display. Number 5. MPC 1967 Pontiac GTO Model Kit. Introducing the 1967 Pontiac GTO Model Kit from MPC. This 125 scale replica brings the iconic muscle car to life with over 85 parts. Experience the heart of the GTO with its detailed 400 cubic inch V8 engine. It perfectly captures the raw power that made this car legendary. The realism extends to the separate rear suspension and exhaust detailing. These elements add an extra layer of authenticity to your build. Step inside the classic GTO with its detailed interior. It features authentic bucket seats and a floor shifter with a console, just like the real thing. Want even more power? This kit includes an optional supercharger, allowing you to customize your model for an even more aggressive look. Building this model is straightforward thanks to the clear and comprehensive instructions. They are designed for modelers of all skill levels. What we like. This model boasts a powerful V8 engine and an optional supercharger for that extra muscle. The detailed interior with bucket seats adds to its authentic feel. If you are a fan of classic American muscle cars and enjoy customizing your builds with extra power options, this is the kit for you. What people say. The detail on this model car kit is incredible, with separate parts for the engine and interior. Assembly was straightforward, and the instructions were clear, making it a fun build even for beginners. The finished model looks fantastic on the shelf, with a realistic paint finish and accurate proportions. Number 4. Maisto 124 1929 Ford Model A Assembly Kit. Introducing the 124 scale die-cast model kit of the iconic 1929 Ford Model A. This highly detailed replica captures the essence of a classic automobile. Everything you need for assembly is included, even a screwdriver. You can start building your miniature vehicle right away. It features opening parts and rolling wheels, bringing the model to life. The pre-painted metal body adds a touch of realism. This kit is easy to assemble, creating a fully functional rolling replica. Enjoy the process of building your own classic car. It's a fun and educational STEM activity perfect for kids. They can build a realistic miniature vehicle while learning. What we like. This kit comes with a pre-painted metal body and includes all the necessary tools for assembly, making it incredibly easy to put together. It features opening parts and rolling wheels for a dynamic display. If you're looking for a quick and satisfying build experience, especially for younger enthusiasts or those new to model cars, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The detail on this model car is incredible, with tiny parts that fit together perfectly. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The finished model looks amazing on my shelf, a real showpiece. Number 3. AMT 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28, 125 scale model kit. Introducing the AMT 1968 Chevy Camaro Z28 model kit. This is an accurate scale model for enthusiasts. Capture the iconic look of the '68 Camaro Z28 with this 125 scale replica. It's designed for precision and detail. This kit is designed for an easy building experience. You'll find the process straightforward and enjoyable. Follow along with the included detailed instructions to ensure a perfect build. Every step is clearly laid out for you. Please note that paints and glue are required to complete this model. These items are sold separately. This is a detailed plastic model building kit, item number 868. It's a fantastic replica for collectors and hobbyists. What we like. This model offers an accurate scale replica of a classic muscle car, designed for an easy build process with detailed instructions. It's a straightforward way to get a great-looking model. If you appreciate iconic American sports cars and prefer a no-fuss assembly that results in a sharp-looking replica, this kit is ideal. What people say. The detail on this model car is incredible, with tiny parts that fit together perfectly. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. The finished product looks amazing on the shelf, a real showpiece. Number 2. Maisto 124AL 2017 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Experience the authentic styling and branding of the original manufacturer with this officially licensed replica. It captures the essence of the iconic vehicle. Crafted with a durable metal body and detailed plastic components, this model is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can be enjoyed for years to come. Admire the highly detailed design, featuring realistic exterior styling and intricate interior details. Every element is meticulously recreated for an authentic look. The free-rolling wheels provide smooth movement, making it perfect for display or play. You can easily position it to showcase its impressive design. This makes a perfect gift for collectors and kids alike. It's a great present for any automotive fan who appreciates quality and detail. What we like. As an officially licensed replica, this model features durable die-cast metal construction and a highly detailed design, capturing the essence of the original car. It also has free-rolling wheels for display. If you are a collector or a fan of modern sports cars who values authenticity and quality materials, this detailed replica is a perfect addition to your collection. What people say. The detail on this model car is incredible, with tiny parts that really bring it to life. Assembly was straightforward, and the instructions were clear, making it a fun build even for beginners. The finished model looks fantastic on display, capturing the essence of the real car perfectly. Number 1. AMT 1963 Chevy Corvette 125 Scale Model Kit. Introducing the AMT 1963 Chevy Corvette 125 Scale Model Kit. This versatile kit allows you to build your classic Stingray in multiple configurations. Choose to build it as a factory stock model, a custom street machine, or a powerful drag gasser. The options are yours to decide. It comes with enhanced features like pre-lettered drag slicks and clear red taillights. You'll also find stock and custom wheels for a truly authentic look. Personalize your build further with multiple engine intake options. Create a unique look that reflects your style. Relive the golden age with a full-color, retro-style decal sheet. The vintage packaging adds to its nostalgic appeal. This is an improved reissue from AMT, offering superior parts and detailing. It's a high-quality collectible that model enthusiasts will love. What we like. This kit offers incredible versatility with its 3-in-1 build options, allowing you to create a factory stock, street custom, or drag gasser version. It also includes multiple engine options and a cool retro decal sheet. If you enjoy customizing your builds and love the nostalgic charm of classic Corvettes, this multi-option kit provides endless possibilities for a unique creation. What people say. The detail on this model car kit is incredible, with separate parts for the engine and interior. Assembly was straightforward, and the instructions were clear, making it a fun build even for beginners. The finished model looks fantastic on display, with a realistic paint finish and accurate proportions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.